Hey my beautiful friends, let's get ready for today's decoding. Tap 3 times here and that's gonna get us ready for today's word, and the word is Web3. I want you to follow my reading. It is pretty simple. W is tap, long press, release, long press, release. Let's go. Tap, long press, release, long press, release. E is tap, and the next is long press, release, tap, tap, tap. And 3 is tap, 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 long press, release, long press, release. And that is it. And you have your Web3 and you take the prize. Did you get it? Of course, follow my reading. W is tap, long press, release, long press, release. E is simply a tap. B is long press, release, tap, tap, tap. That is 3 times. And the last one, which is number 3, is tap, tap, tap 3 times, followed by long press, release, long press, release. Let's go.